From the silent whispers of history, ancient civilizations embarked on a journey, laying the foundations of engineering. Monumental constructions like the Great Pyramids of Egypt were not merely tombs but beacons of early geometry and engineering. Similarly, the aqueducts of Rome illustrated the innovative application of hydraulics, vital for water management systems today. The Great Wall of China, a masterpiece of military engineering, exemplified the use of terrain analysis and defensive strategies. These endeavors were not just about building, they marked the dawn of problem solving techniques that harnessed mechanics, thermodynamics, and civil engineering, continuing to inform our modern world. Transitioning from ancient marvels, we encounter the Renaissance, a pivotal moment fueling a surge in mechanical understanding and innovation. Leonardo da Vinci's visionary inventions laid the groundwork for modern engineering principles. The development of mechanical clocks segmented time with unprecedented precision, enhancing the functionality of today's technology-driven world. Johannes Gutenberg's printing press revolutionized knowledge dissemination, democratizing information, and propelling engineering ideas forward. These innovations heralded the technological leaps that paved the way for the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution, powered by the steam engine, revolutionized transportation and manufacturing, uniting continents through railways and shrinking distances with the telegraph. These innovations marked the transition to industrial powerhouses, igniting a surge in engineering innovations. Remember, these weren't just technological advancements, but milestones that shaped our transition from survival to thriving civilizations. They laid the groundwork for the digital complexities and conveniences that followed. Propelled by the Industrial Revolution, we journey into the digital age, where the computer and the internet redefine information processing and global communication. This era ushered in smart technology, seamlessly integrating devices into our lives and representing the apex of technological advances. The digital revolution stands as both a testament to human ingenuity and a bridge to future innovations, guiding us toward untold advancements in engineering and the realization of dreams once deemed unreachable. As we peer into the future, engineering remains the beacon of progress. Renewable energy innovations promise a sustainable power infrastructure, while space exploration extends our realm to the cosmos. Artificial intelligence redefines our lives with capabilities ranging from predictive weather algorithms to remote medical diagnostics, highlighting the vast possibilities ahead. However, it's imperative to navigate these advancements with ethical foresight, ensuring they enhance human life while preserving our planet. The narrative of engineering is crafted by those who dare to dream and innovate, inviting us to engineer a brighter tomorrow.